Namaste everyone, welcome back to Sing Classes. Today we are going through the complete notes on the human eye.
We will cover every part from the cornea to the blind spot. Let's begin. Human eye. Function of human eye. Acts like a camera. Forms image on retina. Image is real, inverted and diminished. Brain interprets image as erect. Sclera. An opaque, fibrous protective outer layer of the eye. Key parts include sclera, blind spot, ciliary muscles, retina, iris, aqueous humor, crystalline lens, and optic nerve. 1. Cornea. Transparent, curved front surface of the eye. Light enters the eye through the cornea. Provides maximum refraction of light. 2. Aqueous humor. Transparent watery fluid present between the cornea and the lens. Maintains the shape and pressure of the eyeball. Supplies oxygen and nutrients to the cornea and lens. Removes waste materials from these parts. Helps in the refraction of light entering the eye. 3. Iris. Colored muscular diaphragm behind cornea. Controls size of the pupil. Regulates amount of light entering the eye. Works automatically in bright and dim light. Eye lens. Transparent convex lens. Focuses light on retina. Changes thickness during accommodation. Forms real and inverted image. Five. Ciliary muscles. Attached to the eye lens. Changes curvature of lens. Help to see near and distant objects. Control focal length of lens. 6. Retina. Light-sensitive screen at back of eye. Image is formed here. Contains rods and cones. Converts light into nerve signals. 7. Rod cells. Sensitive to dim light. Help in night vision. Do not detect color. More in number than cones. 8. Cone cells. Detect colors. Work in bright light. Responsible for sharp vision. Concentrated in yellow spot. Nine. Optic nerves. Connects eye to brain. Carries visual impulses. Brain interprets image. Damage causes blindness. Vitreous humor. A clear, colorless, gel-like substance. Fills the space between the lens and retina. 11. Blind spot. Point where optic nerve leaves eye. No rods or cones present. Image cannot be formed here. Not noticed normally by brain. That finishes our page-by-page study of the human eye. I hope this word-for-word explanation helps you memorize these functions easily for your exams. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Sing Classes for more one-shot chapters. And I'll see you in the next class.